Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can generate a description for your YouTube video, which is going to be very useful for you guys and which will make your video more watchable and more viewing, and which is going to be very useful for you guys, and you are going to get a lot of views through that. So what you have to do, you have to write the website name. As you can see, I have written the website name. You have to write the website name in the same way, hootsuite.com. So you have to press the enter. After pressing the enter, you have to scroll down. Scrolling down, as you can see, now what you have to do, you have to select the language, that in which language you want your video, that in which language you want your description. You have to select that language, and now I'm gonna confirm my choice. Now then click on here, that you have to select your video category, that in which category your video comes. For example, my comes in technology. And call to action, that what you want. I want the subscription, subscribers. Video topic, what is the video topic? I'm going to write the how to earn money. And then keywords, if you have any keyword, you have to write that here. For example, I'm going to write the Fiverr earn money online. So what you have to do, benefits to the viewer, they will earn dollars. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to click on the generate description, and you have to wait for a few seconds. It will generate the description. Now as you can see, it has generated the description. In this video, we will guide you on how to earn money online using Fiverr with increasing opportunities. In the digital world, Fiverr has become a popular platform to make dollars from the comfort of your own home. As you can see, the description is very useful, and it has used the Fiverr keywords again and again, which is going to be very useful for you guys. It can rank your video as well. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can generate a description for your video. So see you guys in the next video.